Hello class, I hope all of you are doing good. Class, now we will continue with our English literature, chapter number 2, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. Okay, so we have read page number 19 in your previous assignment. So I will just revise what happened in this story or in this chapter. So this chapter is about Tenali Rama, who is very intelligent and very clever, and he is the most trusted minister, and he is one of the most trusted minister of Krishna Dev Rai. Okay, what happened in the story? One day a gang of thieves, they entered the city, or they entered the kingdom Vijayanagar. Okay, and the police, they were trying to catch the thieves, but they failed. Okay, so they wanted to take Tenali Rama's help, and Tenali Rama also agreed to help them. So what he did, he asked his wife to spread a rumor. Okay, and what was that rumor? That they have received, means Tenali Rama and his wife, they have received lots of wealth from one of their wealthy relatives, and the rumor started spreading all over the city. One of the thief, he started working as a servant at Tenali's house. Okay, but Tenali, he was very clever. He knew that the servant who he has hired, he is a thief, but he pretended that he didn't know anything. So one day what happened, Tenali said to his wife that they have to hide their wealth somewhere, and the thief, the servant, he was listening to the conversation. So what they did, they took a huge box, okay, wooden box, and in that they pretended that they have kept their wealth, and they put a huge lock in that wooden box. They dragged the box to the backyard, and there was a well in the backyard. So they dropped that box into that well. So they dropped the box into the well. Okay, and the thief, the servant who was working over there, he saw everything what the Tenali Rama and his wife did. So now class will start reading from page number 20, paragraph first. Okay, from here. Next day, the servant left Tenali's house to buy vegetables from the market. He went straight to the leader and said, "The plan is working fine. They have hidden the box in the well in their backyard." Backyard means the backside of your house. "Come to the house at midnight. We can lift the box out of the well without getting caught." So he left for the market to buy some vegetables, and he straight away went to his leader and told him everything about the wooden box. And he told his leader that come at midnight, means come at 12 o'clock, and then at that time we'll take out that box from the well, and we will not get caught also. Next, that night the thieves went to Tenali's house and led them to the backyard that had a beautiful garden of flowering plants and bushes. The well was at the far corner. That's where they have hidden the box, said the servant, pointing to the well. So the thieves, they entered the Tenali's house, and the servant, he led him to the garden where there were plants and bushes. Okay, and at one corner there was that well where Tenali and his wife have dropped the wooden box, and he told them that this is the well in which they have hidden their wooden box. "How do we lift the box?" asked the leader. So the leader of the thief, he asked that how we are going to take out that box from the well, because well is filled with water. "It's a heavy box," said the servant. "We just have to take out the water it would be easy to lift the box then. Everyone agreed. So, the servant, he gave the idea that first we will take out the water from the well and then we will take out the wooden box. And everybody agreed, means everyone said yes to that plan. Two thieves started drawing water from the well. Once they were exhausted, two others took their place. Now Tenali had a few channels in his garden for the water to flow to the plants. The water that the thieves drew out of the well began to flood Tenali's garden. Okay, so two thieves. Okay, how many thieves? Two thieves. They started pulling the water from the well, and one by one they were pulling the water from the well. After some time they were exhausted. The other two thieves, they took their place and then they started drawing water from the well. Tenali, he had made a few channels. Channels means a small passage or a small lane for the water to flow easily. So the water that they were drawing out from the well, the water was flowing through that channel, and the plants were watered. So the water that the thieves were drawing out from the well, it was going to the plants through that channel. So after some time, what happened? There was so much water in that well that the garden started flooding. Okay. After drawing water from the well for a long time, the thieves became very tired. Yet there was no sign of the wooden box. Just then they heard someone say, "That's enough, boys. You can stop now. All my plants have been watered." So the thieves were very tired. They were very exhausted. Then they heard someone say, "That's enough. You can stop now. All my plants have been watered." So who is that person? That is Tenali Rama. Okay. He said, "You have watered enough my plant. Now you can stop." The thieves were stunned when they saw Tenali Rama standing at a corner and laughing at them. So Tenali was actually laughing on thieves because they couldn't get the wooden box, but they watered the whole garden of Tenali Rama's. They tried to escape, but they were soon caught by the chief of police. Okay, so they tried to run away from there, but the police and his men, they caught the thieves. The next day, the whole city was talking about how Tenali had put the thieves to work in his garden. So the next day, everybody in the city, in that kingdom, they started talking how Tenali, he used his brain, he used his intelligence, and he made thieves to work in his garden, and the thieves were also got caught. Okay, so now we have come to know that why Tenali is known as an intelligent and clever person, and that's why he was the most trusted minister in that kingdom. Okay class, now please underline the difficult words: chief, gang, culprits, nab, rumors, servant, spy, then conversation, dragged. Come to the next page. Backyard, hidden, exhausted, channels, flood. Then down, thieves, stunned. Okay, so these all are your difficult words which you have to do it in your notebook. So class, read this chapter again. Okay, please read it again and again. There are so many points in this chapter which you should remember, okay, for your next exam. And class, please do your homework neatly. Okay, and if you have any doubts or any queries, please feel free to mail me. Okay, take care and thank you.